In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Microsoft Lists, step by step. If your dates keep showing up as month, day, year when you need day, month, year, or vice versa, the fix usually isn't inside the list itself. Microsoft Lists inherits its date format from the SharePoint site's regional settings. So we'll change the site's locale, and your lists will display dates the way you expect. Start by opening SharePoint in your browser and navigating to the site that hosts your list. Make sure you're on the correct site where the list lives because you'll be adjusting settings that apply to this site and its content. If you're unsure, open your list first and then use the site breadcrumb to confirm the site name. In the top right, select the gear icon for settings. If you don't see it, you may not have the right permissions and will need a site owner or admin to follow these steps. Choose Site Information. A panel will open with details about the site. At the bottom of that panel, click View All Site Settings to open the full settings page. This is where SharePoint groups everything from permissions to site features. On the Site Settings page, look for the Site Administration section and select Regional Settings. This is the control center for how dates, times, and certain regional formats appear across the site. On the Regional Settings page, find the Locale dropdown. Pick a region that uses the date format you want. For example, select United States for month, day, year, United Kingdom or Australia for day, month, year, or Japan for year, month, day. The locale you choose also influences things like the week start day and some number formats, so pick the region that best matches your organization's standards. If time zone or calendar settings appear on this page, simply verify they already look correct for your site. When you're finished, scroll down and click OK to save. Your change takes effect for the site and will be reflected in Microsoft Lists that inherit these settings. Refresh your list and you should see existing items re-render with the new date format. New items you add will use it automatically. A few quick tips. It can take a moment for changes to appear everywhere, so give the page a refresh. If a particular list was set up with custom regional settings, it might not change with the site. In that case, coordinate with your site owner. And if you use custom views or apps that reference dates, review them after this change to ensure everything looks consistent. That's it. You've updated the date format for your Microsoft Lists by adjusting the SharePoint site's regional settings. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.